Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix connection problem or invalid MMI code. If you're encountering a connection problem or invalid MMI code error on your Android phone, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. The first thing that you can do is simple reboot. Turn off your phone by pressing the power button for a few seconds. Reboot your phone and check if the issue persists. Number 2, reboot in safe mode. Safe mode allows your device to start with only pre-installed apps, excluding third-party ones. To enter safe mode, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap power off, press and hold the power and volume down button simultaneously to turn the device on. Check if the error occurs in safe mode. Number 3, edit the code. Sometimes adding a plus sign or a comma to the code can help. Number 4, check network settings. Ensure you have a stable network connection. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the network connection. Verify that you're not in an area with poor or no network coverage. And last but not the least, inspect the SIM card. Make sure your SIM card is properly inserted and not damaged. A faulty SIM can cause issues with executing USSD codes. Remember to try these steps one by one and hopefully one of them will resolve the issue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest video.